just feels terrible, and I'm gonna throw this away as soon as I finish this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am laichenir, and today I'm going to be doing a 2-month review on this hair here from Iriae Hair. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get into the hair. So like I said before, I've been wearing this hair for 2 months and I have a lot to say about it. I'm going to link in the cards the original video of me installing this hair. As you guys can see, I cut the hair. When I first got it, it was 26 inches or 24 inches. I'm not quite sure, but like I said before, I'm going to link it in the cards. It was 24 inches and now it's, I don't even know, probably 18 inches, it's probably like a good 18 inches like stretched out. And I did like some layers, but I had to cut it, and we'll get into that later. So let's start off with the pros and then we'll finish off with the cons. So the first pro about this hair is that it is affordable. I got a 26-inch water wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig for $90. So pretty affordable. Second pro is that it came very fast shipping. I ordered on Amazon, and you know, Amazon doesn't take too long. It came in about a couple days, 2 or 3 days, something like that. Fast shipping, regular Amazon stuff. The third pro was that it has a really pretty curl pattern. It's getting a little frizzy right now because I did let it dry and I was manipulating it, but for the most part, like, the wave pattern was really cute. It's a water wave, like I said before, so it was really cute. Looked a lot better at first, but like I said, we'll get there. Fourth pro is that it is an HD lace closure. One thing I can say about these Amazon wigs is that the HD lace be lacing for sure. They may be lying about other things, but the lace itself is always good. I don't really have any complaints when it comes to lace. The fifth and last pro is that it is soft when you wet it. It's soft like all the time. I didn't have too many problems with the good parts of the hair. It stayed soft. So like the closure is really soft. And you know, sometimes you can get closures and they'll be rougher than the rest of the hair, but the hair is soft, especially the closure. It wasn't super dry or anything like that. The good parts of the hair. But yeah, those are my 5 pros. And now let's get into the cons. So the first con about this hair was that, once again, it was not a wear and go wig. If you guys watched my initial video, you guys saw that it claimed to be pre-plucked and it wasn't. I had to do a little bit of plucking to get it like this, but if you're not into the plucked look, it is wear and go for you. You could just, like, you know, match it to your skin, hit it with like a hot comb or something, and then you're ready to go. But me personally, I want it plucked and bleached, and all I have to do is just tint it. Like, that's what I'm thinking is wear and go, but clearly my wear and go is different from everybody else's or theirs. The second con is that it does tangle. It tangled, you know, in the back, and it tangled towards the ends. And this second con and the next con kind of go together. So it tangled. Third con is that the ends are frizzy, and you guys can even see it now that the ends are frizzy, even though I cut it. And that is the reason why I cut it, is because the ends were being very weird. Like, when you brush them out, and even when you wet it, it just stays frizzy like this. It doesn't curl. And I'll put in another clip so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, how it just like frizzes up at the ends and it doesn't have a curl no matter how much water you put in it. Someone as close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me to save our revenge, but now I get along better with your friends. And yeah, I don't like that. I've never really had any curly hair that did that, where even like wet and wavy, like human hairs you can get from the beauty supply store, it still curls back up. This one, the closure, I feel like is 100% virgin hair, but I feel like the hair on the rest of the wig is a mixture, and it really gives synthetic. Once again, I feel like there's synthetic pieces in this Amazon wig. I put some heat in it just to do a test, and it's not like it burned or anything, like it melted, but it did not go back to its original curl pattern like synthetic hair will. So it's good enough to be flat ironed and like curled and used, like you can use heat on it, but that curl is not coming back. So that was my biggest thing about this hair. Like, it's pretty, and it'll be even prettier if it would keep the curl, but I cut off so many inches of this hair thinking it would get better because it was only at the ends, but even when I cut this hair shorter, the ends got frizzy again. The only thing that I think stayed nice is just the closure part, which makes me believe that it is human hair and the rest of it is like a mixture, and I don't like that, especially if you're advertising the hair to be 100% virgin human hair and it's synthetic. And maybe that's why it's so cheap, and I don't think I'm going to buy another wig that cheap. I feel like it's going to have to be $100 plus, maybe $115, $120 to get some good quality wigs like the wigs that everybody talks about. But these last two that I've had from Amazon, I don't feel like they've been quality wigs. They're cute for maybe a couple weeks, but like to wear for 2, 4, 6, 8 months to a year, not happening. Yeah, I think that's all I have for this hair. Short and sweet. I do not recommend the hair because this frizzing is not cute. Like, I just don't think it's worth it. $90, and it may be a little bit cheaper now, but to have your ends frizz up like a synthetic wig, I don't think that's cool. I've had some bad curly hair. I've had bad curly hair that mats up and tangles, but I've never had curly hair that when you wet it, it does not curl back up. And I can show you guys right now. We got this piece right here. I'm gonna comb it out. Frizzy. Apply water. Like, I don't understand why. Like, it's not curling. Yeah, those ends aren't budging. And then I'll cut it. I'll cut it to, you see it's kind of curling up here. So I will cut it to here, and then next you know it's gonna start frizzing again. I'll do this side as well. This is a lot. And this is what it looks like. Still very, very frizzy at the ends. I wish you guys could feel it too, because it just feels like a Brillo pad. It just feels terrible, and I'm gonna throw this away as soon as I finish this video. But in conclusion, I'm gonna rate this hair a 1 out of 5. The only good thing about this hair is the price and the closure. The closure is definitely HD and it's soft, but the rest of the hair is trash, and I would not recommend it. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Please be sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.